In this video, let's talk about affiliate marketing step-by-step beginner's guide for making money online. I'm going to show you guys what you guys are probably hearing, that you guys have to create a landing page towards a thank you page, right? And towards an affiliate offer, right? And next thing you know, they probably mentioned that you have to go and create email follow-ups, right? I'm going to show you guys something. This stuff will never work, okay? This is the traditional way when it comes to doing affiliate marketing. A lot of so-called gurus in this space will teach you how to build a landing page towards a thank you page, towards a affiliate offer, and they're telling you to do email follow-ups, right? You never want to do that, guys, okay? So what you guys truly want to start doing is that you guys want to start running $5 day ads, okay? Literally $5 day ads on Facebook, okay? Facebook ads. Okay, so what we're going to be doing together, I'm just showing you guys the layout and how to actually structure it. So what we want to do, most people, okay, especially affiliate marketers, are just sending traffic directly towards the landing page, okay? And they're collecting emails, right? They're collecting emails, and they're probably getting probably below 30% email opt-in rate, right? So what you want to focus on, instead of sending traffic directly towards the landing page, you want to start creating 3 pieces of content, okay? And I'm talking about good quality content before they get in towards your landing page, okay? Content is going to create know, like, and trust. Okay, so you guys are probably hearing this many times, right? Know, like, and trust, right? Like know, like, and trust. The know, like, and trust factor comes through creating content, okay? So when you're creating this, we want to have a call to action that's directing towards the landing page instead of sending traffic directly towards the landing page, okay? So what we're going to be doing together, guys, is that we're going to be creating $5 Facebook ads, okay? Instead of doing email follow-ups, we're going to be installing a pixel right here, guys, okay? So what happened is that we're going to be doing what's called retargeting, okay? Guys, if any of your so-called gurus in this space are not teaching you retargeting, stay far away from them, okay? If they're just teaching you how to create a landing page towards a thank you page, offer towards affiliate offer, and they're just teaching you to do email follow-up, stay far away from them, okay? What I'm literally sharing with you guys is that you guys want to create what's called a retargeting, okay? What retargeting is very powerful. You're going to do what's called branding, okay? You probably heard this many times. You want to brand you, okay? People don't buy the affiliate offers, they buy you, okay? So you want to brand yourself out here by creating content, okay? Consistent content, guys, okay? So what happened is that once you start doing that, you're going to start branding yourself out there by giving good value, right? You're giving good value running these $5 Facebook ads while the other affiliate marketers are doing, all they're doing is just landing page, thank you page, and sending email follow-ups, or perhaps you're just doing social media, right? What we're doing this strategically, okay? We want to create solid content before they're opting in towards our landing pages by creating that know, like, and trust you factor. And we're going to be creating retargeting. I'm going to show you guys behind the scenes on how to actually structure this, because right now I just wanted to share this affiliate marketing step-by-step beginner's guide for making money online. Okay, so this is what you guys are truly looking for, and I just wanted to go and create this for you guys. By the time when you guys retarget your people through content, right, look what happens, okay? We're going to scroll all the way back down. Then your email marketing is going to work because they start to know, like, and trust you. You start to brand yourself out there within the marketplace. See what I'm saying? So then now people are going to start opening your emails, guys. So, and guys, if you guys want my free spreadsheet when it comes towards running retargeting campaigns, so you guys have this clarity aspects on how to actually run it, right? So that you guys have this huge framework on how to actually set it, so you guys have that clear. It's free. If you guys want to, drop me a line below this video, and I'll shoot it straight towards your messenger if you guys want it. right? Because I've noticed that in this space, a lot of gurus are not teaching you this, because this is very, very effective retargeting. And I had to share this with you because I don't know, maybe you've been a struggling affiliate marketer, or maybe perhaps you don't know how to do it correctly. So this is why this video, I just wanted to go and give you it straight to the point video for you guys to really digest this information, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how to actually set this up. It's going to be incredible, and